What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera shutter lag issue on your Honor smartphones. So to fix this issue, first of all open camera. Now after opening camera, click on the settings icon on the top right corner. Now scroll down to the end and click on reset defaults, and from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm, then tap on allow, and here tap on settings. Now in settings allow the permissions, so you can allow the permission for location, and after that the camera shutter lag issue will be 100% fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down, and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this apps option again, and then tap on camera, and then open storage. Now clear the app data and cache memory of camera. So to clear the app data, tap on clear data and then tap on OK. And to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache and clear cache will be cleared. So that's how you can clear the cache memory, and clearing the cache memory will fix the camera lag issue. But after this, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is check for your phone's software update. So to check that, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here, check if your phone is updated to the latest version of software or not. So if your phone is not updated to the latest version, then update the software, and after updating the phone software, the camera shutter lag issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the camera shutter lag issue on your Honor smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.